So here's what to do if you can't get access or get into your Hostinger account because you don't have access to your email anymore. So when you set up your Hostinger account, use an email to log in to your hPanel. But if you can't use that email anymore, or if you tried, or if you turned on two-factor authentication and lost access to the device you use for that, don't worry, you just need to send an email to recovery.hostinger.com to this email, this one, recovery.hostinger.com, and you can send this from any email address, but in the message make sure you mention the email that's connected to your Hostinger account. And after you send the request, they get back to you within 7 business days. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials.